Yeah guys, welcome back to another epic adventure.
Straight up.
Today, you know, my people, I mean, Pekka and Yazi link up today.
Straight up, you know.
So right now,
Real.
we are up on the country.
Yeah, man.
You see me? But right now we have some lobster and we have some fish, but we don't know exactly what we're going to do with them as yet. Because Pekka are going to go in at the farm, you know.
Straight.
And eventually, there are so much different things planting at the farm.
And you'll pick some jelly and some dry coconut CME, you know.
Alright.
Definitely, yeah. Yeah, man.
So you start going to know, Yazi? What you start going?
We got some okra too, you know. And we have some Irish potato and some carrots.
Alright.
There is nothing you can say or do, and there is nothing you can try to hide. 'Cause it was someone that I thought I knew. Oscar for the trees,
Up to the countryside we are go.
lifetime achievement, starting a new season. Welcome to the green room. This road is a kingdom. Built on pain, my own pain.
Yeah man, that's a code man, you see me. Country vibe is coming. Yeah man, going to do some work.
And there is nothing you can say or do, and there is nothing you can try to hide. Was there was someone that I thought I knew.
Yeah, man, I hit man, you know. In the country, straight up. Cross the river we are reach right now, you know.
Real right.
Yeah, man, see the whole place there, man. Straight cross. Place one chop down thing, a big bush. Country there, and see a bush. Where man? Can't cross the housing. Yeah, go on now, father, man. Yeah, try to see if you can reach cross the river yourself.
You try all the way, yeah, go cross now.
Yeah, go cross. You can cross, man.
You know people, that's a code, you know, you see me.
Then you go, alright. Cross the river.
Yeah man, you know code, you know. Daddy, warm, you're good. Cool, man.
Please, you man, this is
Yeah, my people. You there, I know. Yeah, man, so anyway, we there now, we reach from the location, we're going to do the cooking and all of them something there. So anyway, we're going to make you see Pekka old man. Him just a hit, you see me? Yeah, man. So anyway, we there, you know. Yeah, man, so let's go and stay tuned. See the old man that's there. Yeah, man.
Bruh, what go on? Pekka done.
Yes, man, I eat, you know, straight up.
Barnabas bean, man.
Have some pine up there, sir. Pine tree, take them time.
Straight up.
I think the place quiet and nice. Yeah, man.
New food foundation that you know, man. I do all the school.
Yeah, man. That Pekka production, this is not my people.
Straight up, man. Straight up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I Pekka production, this, you know. Yeah, man.
Now it's about right. Try to apply some jelly. property and we up 10 cos, we up. Let's go change off to go on the farm really, you see me? Yeah man, see all sour orange pan tree them and apple pan tree. So
Get them to business.
jelly, everything.
And what
dry
about apple
coconut,
pan
you know what I
tree,
mean, man?
same way. We're getting to business. So change
Yes,
off and come,
man.
no, man. We're getting to business. We're going there, you know.
We can't go on the farm and flying.
Guys, remember my people, remember. Peeps, always remember, stay tuned to the epic adventure, you know, man.
Them pan tree, you know, man. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, to plant the pan tree, you know. Yeah, more jackfruit, you know.
Jackfruit look good. Jackfruit look nice. I got planting pan tree.
Come like you want full up some planting. See all more jackfruit pan tree the same here. Yeah man, see apple them there, brother. Holy for apple pan tree.
Wow, that look good.
Yeah.
Damn, man. Some pine sakaya. Give them some little bit more time. As soon as the pine them start push up, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I want to look at a small banana sakaya. Yeah, man. You're done, you know. Now the hills and valleys, you know. Surrounded by a lot of jelly tree, though. Oh, look at a sour orange tree, though, man. I love using them sour orange, you know. Wash them off, wash off the fish them. Yeah, like when you have the fish them scale off, you just get all one, two sour orange. Get the juice, put on the fish them. Let them go and soak in it a little bit, like 5 minutes. Yeah, man, energy the body, see me? Yeah, whole heap of jelly tree there, though. Yeah, some corn. And I have some corn and go and push up same way. I have some okra, you know. Yeah, man, I go on with them service same way, you know. Then this is our mint tree, you know. It's our mint tree. If it can look good, you can see some gongo peas are going to run up, you know what I mean? If you look up this good, you can see some single one, just a push out. But they're not really mature yet, they're not ready yet, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. But over here, so, you can see gongo pan tree. Yeah, man. I wanna look good, you know? Yeah. I wanna look full. I wanna look full. I go pick it off. It look full. Yeah. Tell you about it.
Know what is my general? This is the healing of the nation. Medication.
You heard?
When you come into the mountains, you have to just swallow something like this. Keep your pen up for the ladies, them, you know. This one named the aloe vera. Cinco Bible, the bitterest thing in the world. As a Rasta man, I can't do without this, you know, because it's when the ladies them out of them service. I got to let them feel the way they need to feel.
Alright. That's a code, you know, my people. Yeah, man, always remember to eat. This is the aloe vera, isn't it? Yeah, guys. Fire ketchup already, you know, man. Cold ketchup. So, we got it over there, so then I'll go and get the things and get together. Yeah, man. So, we have some fish and some lobster. So, stay tuned for that. Oh, you put on under the rice? Yeah. Alright. Go on there, thing. Now. Yeah. We are going up in the hills now. So, go and stay with us until the end of the clip, you zoom in. Yeah, man. Just look and observe here, my people, and go and enjoy yourself. And you know the code, you know. Yeah, man. Banana, they push out on tree. Nice little energy, you know. Fresh air, you know. Nice fresh air, not the hills. Yeah, man, nice fresh air, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. They don't know I want to be me now, so I know what I do. Yeah. Pekka, full banana there I can't cut, man.
I was putting a tree of a fly, man. Alright guys, stay tuned for all of that. See? Epic moment. Epic moment. Yeah. Yeah, the journey is on, you know. And I jelly check up on one, sir? You should know over there, sir? We up there, sir? So about this? Yeah. Yeah. Boy! Oh God! Yo! Yeah! I enter to the jelly tree now. What about them money I climb it and I've never seen this before. First time this. Every man I go climb on jelly tree, them go barefoot. But it's I'm gonna go up in the jelly tree now a water boat, brother. People that's a gulash. Church of God. Alright. So far, so good. I'm doing thing. I'm like too much rum. Nice system, man. And then I reach out and then I can make up his face like him tired. You got it back. Yeah? Yeah, my people. Yeah, man. Stay tuned for all of that. Alright, my people. Jelly a drop on the roll. Jelly are rolling, eh? Yeah, jelly a chop. Get one for drink right away. I don't know anything going on. At least 5 jelly a day. Never rise, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, me people.
Yeah, man, in the mountains we are, you know.
Yeah, man. My
Respect.
jelly, I know, you see me? Nice cut, fresh and clean. Tell you about the blessing. Always drink a jelly. Yo, Becca. I want them jelly or sugar? Ja.
Only.
Look at me, people. You know, it just look good. Chop them eat one night. Yeah, man, so Pekka, they come back from out of the tree there. I pick the last few jelly and come down, you see me? Yeah, man, the last few that. Yeah, man, so you don't come out of the tree there. See my people. And wife and the G are going to bust the jelly in the two days for me. Yeah, man, you can go and do anything. So Pekka, they come down meanwhile. Yeah, man. Yeah, Pekka, respect for that. Respect for that, my G. You go up to the tree safe, come back down safe. Alright. The jelly over there, so I go and get chopped. Yeah, man. Take up one spoon and give me same way. Same sweet. This spoon I go on, man. You never chop no more spoon, my G. See what I'm chop off already there. Boy. Yeah, my peeps. Don't know. Boy. This one get for you or nothing.
No hills again.
Yeah, man. Bad. What's your man? Bad, isn't it? I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, my people, I pick this now. Yeah, man, jelly to beers, man. And they pick this, isn't it? Yeah, man. Just you have some other one, what is that?
Dry coconut, some dry
Yeah, man.
over there.
Picking, yeah?
Yeah, man, most of them come across already. Some no down there gully down so. Right behind me.
It was a two in the gully.
Yeah, man, I pick this, catch him till I come back out of the bush, right? Chop down one banana, now you see me? Yeah, man, see it there, though? Like I got falling. Yeah. Falling. Oh, my head. Yeah, watch him stay in the brother. Check man, I walk under the skin, umbre. Like a rain and fall, bro. Watch him, man.
Just like that, General. Straight up.
No, I'm paid up. Yeah, man. Watch him, man. Look at that, my people.
Nice fresh blue banana, you know? 100% natural.
Nice and fresh. Fresh cut. Them thing I talk about, you know? Fresh cut, you see me? So, that's the reason I tell us I can't throw country away because when they're country, can just come near a farm, bust a one fresh cut. What do you want on that? I have a sauce of banana with some meat kind. Can I have a chicken back in a care? One nice on that. Cook down the banana then. And curry all the chicken back. Or more than you. Just tell me the truth. I want to iron in your system, bro. Damn, man. Yeah. Went to the rest of the workplace on the water and you see me. Yeah. Yeah, man. This how I get cut down to. You ready, man? Yeah.
I breathe, but you see the thing.
Yeah, take him down, man. Take him out of the planet, right, man. Get rid of it, man. Yeah, man. Get rid of it. You see the outcome. Nobody can do this here. You know what you earn for banana? You know how much you earn for banana in the market there. You don't talk about market there. Go on the street side now. You can buy banana from the street side. You can't go on. Yeah, man, so my paper. This is everything what we get from out of the bush. Yeah, man, throw them up and see them, man. Yeah, man.
So we find a jelly around a dry coconut and milk. Okay. If I tap I eat that back of your full cube, so
Top side is full good, man.
but top side all cube.
Top side is all good.
Yeah. No, I mean,
You go by one side.
you go, man. You know what you're talking. Look for this semi fine on the ground. I know you chop it.
No, sir.
You see it? Big old dry coconut in the fine. See there?
I know the chop.
Like they could hear somebody come and gone if you are in over that chop here. Go wonder. Like a shake. Nothing to do it. You see man, I read off it. So they wall there. You go up on the side. On the side over there side there. Look. And we go up there and look for the say full and just chop at the same time.
1, 2.5 other one, right?
Anyone man, oh that's the one.
Yeah, man.
And more banana around there.
So what we get for the day.
Man.
So what we get for the day,
We
now,
have two
people.
more around there we can cut it.
Never did want too much, you know. That's right, you know. So anyway, now my people, we are going to get the water hot so we can scald off the lobster them. So I'm going to stay tuned for all of that. When we drop the lobster them in the water zone, we already have the rice. From another stove, I go and cook same way, zooming. So let's go and stay tuned for all of that, my people. One love, zooming. Yeah.
I know this is the life the Rasta like to live. Up in the hills, yeah, where the environment is very fresh and nice. Yes, I listen to the birds them in the tree. Could I get the sound, my general? The birds in the tree. You know what kind of bird that? Yeah, man, that's an eagle, Jamaican eagle bird that make the sound. You hear him? Get the sound in the man. Yeah, man, in the hills, man. Blessing love, man. More prosperity where we get jelly. Only water rush off your heart. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I can check in for the lobster, them, and resume. Yeah, man, come here, people, them see what going on, man. Come here, the camera now. Let me see the lobster. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, looking nice, you know. Lovely, you know. Funny flesh, man. Wow, look at that, man. Wow. You know? Looking good, you know. Look at that, my people. Yeah, man, so at least the lobster them change color. So we soon get them off of the fire, you see me? Then I gotta put on another dutchie so we can start get the fish them fry. You see me? So I'm stay tuned for all of that. Today I want epic day. You see me? Yeah, man. That is it, man. Go and make him rest right after now. Yeah, man. Everything, yeah. Get the pot wipe out the right and properly, yeah. Get it set on. We'll throw some oil in it meanwhile and make the oil go and get hot. We'll drop half side of pepper in it. We'll drop a peg of garlic. We're gonna make the garlic burn and make the pepper burn. The fragrance off of the pepper, off of the garlic, that one soak in the oil. So until we drop the fish in the pot, then go and fry. Fragrance like a blood. Whoa. Wow. And the people stay tuned for all of that, you see me? Yeah, man. Nice place, you know? I like the environment. So we have so the pepper hot, man. So we have some okra. Got some okra on tree. Yeah, man. Okra on tree, bro. Yeah. I'm just gonna stay tuned for all of that until I get the fish on my turn, and then I go take them out. See me, people? Stay tuned for all of that. Love and respect. The feeling back. When the people are gonna tell us something. A coconut oil we are using it and just try the fish them in the morning. And we're talking about coconut oil, we're talking about natural coconut oil. So the producer, yeah, this man I make it, you know. Show them the natural coconut oil we're talking about. Yeah, man, daddy make it, man. And daddy, may you tell me what I want to use and make a natural oil?
I just not at all, just one that could take turmeric you got tonight.
What is that?
Turmeric, sweetness up. Just come strap one cookie start this all night. Turmeric. Look like ginger.
Okay. That's all I use to make the natural coconut
Yes, sir,
oil?
that's all I use.
So, what the process like it go through, like what you use to like put it through if you can make it come out in the natural oil?
If you want, you grate that coconut now,
Yeah,
like tonight, yeah,
yeah,
and you set it up to the morning, you skim off what on the top of it,
yeah.
and dash the water. So
Okay,
you skim off now, you boil that,
okay,
you see.
okay.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah.
So remember, peeps, if you want the natural oil, you can come link up with daddy over here, so look at the natural oil in. Stay tuned again, my people. The fragrance after the natural oil. It is amazing. Yeah, man.
Listen to that smell it through this.
Hey, if them could have really smell it through the camera, it are really exciting. Yeah, man, I like the fragrance. The fragrance remind me of like rice and peas I cook. You know when I cook rice and peas and throw the coconut in the rice? Yo, thumbs up to all the people that can cook rice and peas good. And they get the same fragrance after the rice and peas. Only know what I talk about. The same way smell, isn't it? Yeah, man. Stay tuned on the people. I'll give the fish them a one turn and now. Wow. Look at that, man. Some of this love the smell of it, man. I love the smell like it's real. And the reason why it have the fat up like this is just because of the natural coconut oil. Natural. If you can check around, we're surrounded in the man. A whole heap of coconut there, and I tell you, say, all of them coconut here, where you see, the writers are right now come off on one single tree. One single tree alone, and all now, we still not pick everything off of the tree. Because remember, rainy day, even although we have a lot of jelly trees surrounded, we still have to just left some for another day. You see me? So I hope you love this one, enjoy this one, and remember, watching the video, you never subscribe as yet. Hope you guys go ahead and just do a fast subscribe. Just leave the thumbs up, whatever not the video you like, you just leave a comment about that. You see me? You me people. It's a bubble up. Can't read themselves. Finger licking in the man. Very tasty in the man. Stay tuned with people all of that. See? Now done on one side. We don't have the lobster them. And then come off of the fire already. The writer says, you see me? Yeah, man. So just stay tuned to everything with people. Good aloe vera. Yeah, man. Use to wash your ear. Damages everything I can leave, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man. The one here ready, you know. So, I'll get them out of the frying pot instantly, you know, man. Wow, looking good, you know. Chocolate brown, you know. That right top about man, I see him chocolate look there, no? See him chocolate brown look there, no? Yeah man. See him chocolate brown look there. Drop some more in the fire right away, you see me? Yeah man, that's a code, you know? Natural coconut oil. Natural. Natural coconut oil I use. Yeah man, everything what we use natural, you see me? That's how we do it man. Natural, you know? Everything that's what? Natural. Talk it through it no man. One look one left, you know, so we don't spare him, you know.
Man, finding a little space there and put him.
Yo, take it. Hey, yeah, what are you doing, bro? Where that? Yeah, man, I aim that in my people. Tell you, natural stuff, isn't it? So, I can go and stay and go and catch in color. Just tell them cut up, you know. Alright, my people, now just go and stay tuned for all of this. As soon as we get the vegetable them cut up, I'm going to make them see everything in. So let's wait till the vegetable cut up and we see everything. So stay tuned, my people. So we have the okra, everything there, so I'm just going to stay tuned.
Yeah man, straight up man. Just come off of the farm, whole heap of hard work, you know? Yeah man, so you're cool off you now. Go and breeze out. Get something to drink and smoke and thing, you know? Straight up bro. Yeah man, whole heap of hard work, you know?
Alright, we get
Real.
2 more and a banana again. 2 more fully banana, you see me? Yeah man. Take them go cut them 2 more, you see me? So now we have 4, you know?
Yeah man.
4 and a banana. Yeah, my people give the fish them another turn, you know, you see me? Yeah man. Start it down, you know? Start it down. Yeah man, start it down, you see me? Yeah man, stay tuned to all of that, my people. People, let them fish come out now, you know?
Coffee pot man. You just lift the money off of Jory money and carry it. You just lift the money off of Jory and carry it.
Eat this now, my people. Yeah man. Eat this out there, you know? Yeah man, look good, you know? Wow, look at this man. Wow. Damn. Fishy days, you see me? Yeah, my people. Alright, do I know? Get the carrot them cook with the okra, you see me? Them see what I go on like that now. Yeah, my people, I eat that, you know. Okra. And the carrot I go and cook out, you see me? Yeah man. So I'm just going to stay tuned for all of this, you see me? Take a relax there. Things are going good. Get the pot cover up, you know? Yeah man, that's a code, you see me? Yeah, my peeps. I go and get the lobster then pick out the right and properly way. So I'm just going to stay tuned for all of this. Epic day today, a nice day. Just going to stay tuned for all of this, you see me? Yeah man, let's start cleaning the right and properly way. It's a one down lobster and the fish go together, you see me? I'm just going to stay tuned and keep it. Carrot and the okra. Yeah man, that look good man. Good look that, you see me? Carrot and the okra going with themselves and can come off anytime I know. Cover back up. You know one go, you see me? Yeah man. It's a flowers here man. See it here when you open up. It look good. See another part of it here. think, you know.
Sorry, but I don't have to day, sir. Because today is an epic day for the warrior. And I get to understand, say, I have to day, sir. I had the bean man. Yes, I had the bean man. I them call the bean man. You see how I look like a bean? Respect our manners, man. It's an epic day, so I show you, say, I this, the bean man. You wonder what kind of bean this? Barnabas. You know Barnabas? Yes, sir. I had the Barnabas, the bean man. We up in the mountains, that's the island. Yeah. It's true today is an epic day for the general. I should have cared about the Haitians, but I definitely know that the Haitians can't go up on the general thing, so blessings, general.
Yeah, man, that's it on, you know. So anyway, my people, you can see that the yeah, man, see it there.
Man, okra, carrot, Irish, did that too. Yeah.
Yeah, man, wait for me.
I'm strain this, so water you good, you know. Because you want somebody to say okra and carrot, water you have to drink.
Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, I use box man, the coconut oil. The nicest oil for use are the one I burn already. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Original what? Coconut oil. Yeah, man. So just keep it to the coconut oil and the burn oil, or we use on fry the fish. As I said before, the burn oil, good oil for use, because burn already. So anyway, we add a little bit more coconut oil to it, isn't it? Yeah, man. Okay, I'll go and get yourself together. Go and burn out a little tip. Isn't it? Yeah.
And onion.
Like the frozen half of the garlic. You know, good. And then take out one also some coconut in there.
I'm going to put tomato in now. Put tomato pan in now.
Go on a green.
Like you want to put water.
Drop in the tomato now, you see me? Drop in the lobster them I know, you know. Yeah, man, season at the right time properly here. Wow.
Brown to coconut. One of them in chopper. Yeah. I think no do. No do it. That's how it's coconut. I will find you. See we have a top. No, run past the Rami side. Oh. Before you go down your bank.
Lobster look
Right
good.
now, I'm
Yeah,
big
man.
place before you go across the riverside. Yeah. Yeah, when I go up the little slope and then go
Hold
down.
on. Go and take some nice simmers in the thing.
One new that take them out and push out this one pattern. You want to all of them to show. You do that all of them nasty.
Yeah, man. Lock it down now, man. This look good. Man, yummy. Oh my God. Fragrance alone chip my brain. Yeah, man. Fragrance alone I come out of the pot, man. Chip my brain, I swear.
I come say to you, man, a country there,
Yeah,
man,
my
a
peeps.
nasty place.
Take out the go and upside coconut
They
there.
respect you, man. Right, yeah, man. You mean?
Yeah, my peeps. One more jelly again, you know. Yeah, man. Sorry I do it, man. One more jelly. Just eat one of the fish. Just consume one of the fish, them. I'm never drink a jelly, same way. But still is on, you know. Sweet. Yeah, man. Cool, you know. My people, I got check in again, you know. Check in for the fish, them. Wow, look at that, man. Sitting on a rock with a shame, like you want a rock off in the pot. I'm not sure. Ready, man. Sure. Come make a feel of some aguana. Look at that, man. Can smell the fragrance, don't you?
Remember and call to
Yeah, my
her,
people.
and tell her, and I remind her.
We gotta get the plate them together now so we can start get the food share out. So we can start consume some food, you see me? So we just gonna stay tuned for all of this, you see me? Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, voice up. And better the lobster. I'm gonna share it right now. Better the lobster. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Anything we get, yeah. Good light. Anything we get. Yes, Rasta look good.
Respect, man. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
You want more fish in there? I want fish in the good.
Give thanks to the man every time.
Yeah, man, really soft out, you know? Real. Spicy and nice. Mm-hmm.
What am I seeing right there? Yes, I, Rastafari and I, give thanks and praise, you know. Bless the Lord and we give thanks to the animal. Should be blessed and said speed, you know. That is that.
How you go? How you go? How you go?
Right, man.
Yeah, man. My own dishes, isn't it? Yeah. I see the nice lobster, don't it? Looking delicious, don't it? I'm gonna go get on my rice and wow. My food, I know, isn't it? Rice hot. Just take my time, isn't it? Yeah. Nice, huh? Sweet. Yeah, man, so daddy there, so, you know, people. Shout out to daddy, you know, don't ramp with him, you know. And this I'm gonna make it natural cooking oil. I'm gonna sun this. That's how I can climb jelly trees. So. Yeah, man.
One climber.
Yeah. Just finished consume some food, isn't it? So I'm gonna get a jelly for drinking. In the meanwhile, see me Jay by the side, chop me a jelly instant. Yeah. Stay tuned for all of that. I want my fourth jelly just. Yeah, man, give God thanks, huh? My fourth jelly this. Lobster and fish. With some nice rice. And hold on, no. Look at me, I do now. I don't need no sweet Pepsi and them something there. Jelly water me I drink. That's rich. Jelly water me I drink umbre. You see me? Yeah. Them life are nice. Me not lie. I swear. Yeah. Jelly for ears. Don't talk about days. For ears. Yeah.
Young God, me know myself as a boy that come a country.
You guys love this one, isn't it? You know, it's a boy pen cuss. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my people them see the apple them. I wanna do. I wanna do youth. I wanna do.
Trying to video of night tree, man.
Wow. I wanna, man. I wanna juicy, you know. People, you know, some have a taste. I wanna. Yeah, man, fresh pick off a tree. Wow. Today festive, man, I lie. Today I go out with himself. Cha-cha. River down some of my people. Yeah. Part of the river stream this is, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, man, but the river can run. Look a bit low still, but you can't see water. You hear that, don't? And the water the run. Yeah, my people. Leave back now, you know. Just consume some food. And I'll go back home now, you know. So as you can see, at the river stream this. Yeah, man. As you can look and see. As far as I can see. Over the way up. Yeah, man. There's a truck, you know? See it, eh? I'm gonna come from over there, so you see me? Now the jungle. It's a jungle affair. So stay tuned till we reach on the road, see? Everything this, you know. Go down with at least 4 and a banana. We have whole heap of apple this, jelly this, jelly in this, jelly in that. Banana, so go get them put in the car. So I eat that, you know, people. Yeah, my people. Give thanks and praise, you know. Anyway, we come to do the epic and everything just work out the right and properly. You know, matter?
No life, real man. Everything work out 100%. Excellent.
Alright.
Couldn't have been better.
Never.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah, man, for real. Calling up with Pekka old man same man. Anyway, still I go with copper jelly, banana and all of that. Banana and all of that, you see me? So anyway, my people, thank you very much for watching the video from the start until the end. You stay with us during everything. Remember now, if you're watching the video and you don't subscribe as yet, I'm asking you to use your discretion and subscribe to the channel, you see me? Yeah, man, subscribe to the channel, man.
Right, no.
Nah, take them nothing, don't.
Yeah, man.
No, but you know, if you subscribe free, don't. It's free? If you subscribe, right?
Yes, man.
You're not pay for subscribe.
Not at all. I have
Free,
a
don't.
plan I got.
Yeah, man, so remember now, the people.
Subscribe and
Yeah,
watch the
man.
video.
Yeah, man, remember
Just like
now.
that.
One pencos
Straight
spear
us.
fishing. Remember to
Yeah.
like, share.